Builder Idaho is changing the game with LDMOS technology. Welcome to our walkthrough of Tribute Vol.9. Builder Idaho's The Silicon Frontier is a game changer. We'll dive into the world of LDMOS amplifiers. LDMOS stands for Laterally Diffused Metal Oxide Semiconductor. It's a type of power amplifier technology known for its high efficiency and reliability. Tribute Vol.9 is a comprehensive guide to building with LDMOS. Builder Idaho shares their expertise and experience, a must-have for any serious builder. The Silicon Frontier covers the fundamentals of LDMOS amplifiers. From design to construction, it's all here. Get the most out of your builds with this guide. With Tribute Vol.9, you'll be well on your way to building with LDMOS. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your skills. Get Tribute Vol.9 today. Get Tribute Vol.9 for just $9.99 at the link in the description.